Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to use brush QR codes in IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up IbisPaint X on our mobile device. Then from here we need to click onto My Gallery. And now I'm just going to open up a project of mine, so I'm just going to open up this. Now I'm going to select it. I'm going to click Done. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit. Now we're at the Edit stage in IbisPaint X. Then from here, we need to navigate and click onto where the brushes are on the bottom left-hand corner. And then from here, click on Brush again. And now you've got all your different brushes here. You got your basic, custom, online. From here, you want to click on the three dots on the top right-hand corner of the page. And then from here, this is where we can import or export a brush QR code. So now if you've got a QR code saved in your files, you can find them on Pinterest or anywhere online. So go ahead and get yourself a QR code. And now click on Import Brush QR Code. And now in my download section, I've got this QR code here and I'll say import completed. Imported the following brushes here at yada yada on Pinterest. So here it is here in custom. This is the QR code. So that's basically how to import and use QR codes in IbisPaint X.